this video, we're going to talk about how to use Facebook ads to sell your product, especially if you have a local business and you do not have any e-commerce setup. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. All right, so check this out. So here's this person right here. I'm looking for a fridge. Do you guys lease? So she was looking for a fridge and she sent us a message. And here is another example. I need a washer, electric dryer. What do you have on sale? So how do you use Facebook ads to get people to send you messages like this? So let's do this step by step. So first of all, here is one of our clients. It's an electronic and appliances store, and they have this big sale going on for Christmas, and a bunch of these products are on for sale. So what we're doing is we're using Facebook ads to get people to send us messages regarding these products. And here's how you set this up. Let's go to step number 1. You are gonna go to your ads manager. Step number 2, let's create a Facebook ad campaign. And I'll walk you through all the steps. Number 1, objective, your kind of step number 1 of creating the Facebook ad campaign. What we wanna do is we're gonna select the engagement objective, because one of the engagement objective right here is the conversations. So inside engagement objective, we can have conversation with people. That's what we want to do. This business does not have an e-commerce setup for now. It's gonna happen soon in the future, but for now we want people to send us messages. So we're gonna select conversations, then hit continue. Now, do you want manual setup or you want to use tailored? So let's do a manual engagement campaign because I want to show you all the steps. Continue. And now 3 levels, campaign level, then ad set level, and then the ad level. So campaign level, I'm just going to call it test for now. Scroll down. Here is the campaign objective. It's already engagement. We're not doing any A/B testing. We're not doing any campaign budget. This you turn on if you want to set budget at the campaign level and you want to test different audiences at the ad set level. For now, let's hit next. Now, ad set level, this is where you are going to identify your target audience, or you're going to tell Facebook, let me see if I can spell this. Who do you want to show your ad to? That's what you talk about or discuss or set at the ad set level. Now, conversion location, we want messaging apps. Yes, because we want people to send us messages on Facebook, and also if your Instagram and Facebook is connected, then you can get messages on either one of those or both. So our conversion location is messages. There are other options on the ad, calls, websites, but we want people, get people to engage with your brand on Messenger, WhatsApp, or Instagram. That's what we want. Ad type, we want click to message. So they'll see a thing, message, send or click to message at the bottom of the ad campaign or an ad that they see. Now next, select your Facebook page and also the Instagram page. If you've connected WhatsApp, you can select that as well. We do not have WhatsApp connected. Now next right here, I'm going to skip this. Daily budget, whatever your budget is, set that budget here. By the way, if this is the first time you're running Facebook ads, I would recommend going with low budget so you can test, optimize, and improve your campaigns. Now, audience, this is really important. One of the things I like to do is for this business, location is really, it's a local business. So what we do is sometimes we pick that city where the business is and 25-mile radius. That's pretty broad audience, but we want to show our ad to all the people who are living in the 25-mile radius of that city. Sometimes you also input the address of the business and set the 25, 10, or 25-mile radius. So for the purpose of this demo, let's go with that. I'm gonna skip the Advantage Plus audience placement. Where do we want to show our ad? Facebook, Instagram. I want it everywhere. That's good. Let's hit next. And now this is where you are gonna add. Now you can create a new ad, meaning you can create, upload an image, you can upload a video, or you can also use existing posts, which means a post that already exists on Facebook or Instagram page. So in this case, I'm going to use that. You can upload your own ad too, or you can even do like A/B testing. So use existing post, and then now select the post, and then see right here. Here is the Facebook page, and all the posts are right here. Look at this. So DMS to save 40% on all electronics. So we created a post. We knew we were going to use that post in the ad. So we created a post, and the first call to action on that post is DM us, direct message us. And here is the preview of the ad that ad we're using right here. You can see, let me make sure you can see this right here. It's reading the primary text from the post text, the call to action, which is right here, or the button send message. So when people click, when they see the message and click here, they'll be able to send us messages like this. And you see how whatever our offer is, whatever the products or the services we have are on sale, it's clearly shown. If anyone sees these images, it's clearly shown what we're selling, what the offer is. So make sure you do that. Make sure you make it super clear. Now scroll down, everything looks good. Good to go. You can go back and check all the settings, and then once you're happy, you can preview your ads here, right here, and then click on publish, and the ad will go to Facebook in their approval queue. But this is how you can set up ad campaigns and get your target audience to send you messages and sell your product. If you do not have an e-commerce platform where people can go and buy by putting in their credit card information, this is actually a good alternative. There are actually many other ways you can use Facebook ads to sell your products, but this is one of my favorite because we're able to get the messages, and once people send you messages, you can also reach out to them in future. Did you know you can also send people who have sent your page messages a Facebook ad? You can target these people in the future campaigns. It's very powerful, maybe for another video. All right, this is it. Any questions, let me know before you go. Like and share so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.